Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss, something that may seem counterintuitive to many, but is gaining popularity in today's busy world. That's right, we're going to talk about the top 10 reasons to have no friends. Now, before you jump to any conclusions, let's dive deeper and explore the benefits of embracing solitude and finding self-fulfillment. So let's get started. Number 1. Discovering and embracing your true self. The first reason to have no friends is all about self-discovery. When you're not surrounded by constant social interactions, you get the opportunity to dive deep into your thoughts, feelings, and desires. You can spend quality time with yourself and truly understand who you are, without any external influences. This self-awareness allows you to embrace your authentic self and live life on your own terms. Number 2. Prioritizing your personal goals and dreams. Another reason to have no friends is that it gives you the freedom to prioritize your personal goals and dreams. When you're not caught up in the commitments and obligations that come with friendships, you have more time, energy, and focus to invest in yourself. You can pursue your passions, hobbies, and ambitions without any distractions. It's an incredible opportunity to chase your dreams with unwavering dedication. Number 3. Cultivating a strong sense of independence. Having no friends also allows you to cultivate a strong sense of independence. You learn to rely on yourself and become self-sufficient in various aspects of life. From making decisions to solving problems, you develop the skills and confidence to handle things on your own. This independence gives you a sense of empowerment and self-reliance, which can boost your self-esteem and make you more resilient in the face of challenges. Number 4. Avoiding toxic relationship and drama. Let's face it, not all friendships are healthy or positive. Sometimes, friendships can become toxic, filled with drama, negativity, and conflicts. By choosing to have no friends, you can avoid getting entangled in such toxic relationship. You don't have to deal with unnecessary drama or stress that can drain your emotional well-being. It's a way to protect yourself from toxic influences and create a peaceful and drama-free life. Number 5. Having more time and energy for yourself. When you have no friends, you have more time and energy to invest in yourself. You can indulge in self-care activities, take up new hobbies, and focus on your personal growth. You can also have more time to relax, rejuvenate, and recharge yourself. It's an incredible opportunity to invest in your physical, mental, and emotional well-being, which can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Number 6. Developing stronger relationships with family and existing friends. Having no friends doesn't mean you have to be completely isolated. In fact, it can actually strengthen your relationships with family and existing friends. When you have fewer social commitments, you can dedicate more time and attention to your family members or close friends. This can lead to deeper connections, meaningful conversations, and quality bonding time. It's an opportunity to nurture existing relationships and create a strong support system of loved ones who truly understand and appreciate you. Number 7. Developing a deeper sense of self-reliance. Having no friends can also help you develop a deeper sense of self-reliance. When you don't have friends to rely on, you learn to rely on yourself. You become more self-sufficient, resilient, and capable of handling challenges on your own. This sense of self-reliance can boost your self-confidence and give you a greater sense of control over your life. You become your own best friend and learn to trust and depend on yourself, which can be incredibly empowering. Number 8. Enjoying the freedom of being alone. One of the most liberating aspects of having no friends is the freedom to enjoy your own company. You have the flexibility to do what you want, when you want, without having to consider the preferences or schedules of others. You can indulge in your own hobbies, interests, and activities without any external expectations or obligations. You have the freedom to explore new places, try new things, and enjoy your solitude without any limitations. It's a unique kind of freedom that allows you to truly be yourself and enjoy life on your own terms. Number 9. developing a deeper connection with yourself. When you have no friends, you have the opportunity to develop a deeper connection with yourself. You can listen to your inner voice, understand your thoughts and emotions, and connect with your own desires and aspirations. This self-connection can lead to greater self-acceptance, self-love, and self-compassion. You learn to be comfortable with yourself, appreciate your strengths and weaknesses, and embrace your uniqueness. This deep connection with yourself can be a profound source of fulfillment and contentment. Number 10. Finding meaning and fulfillment within yourself. Last but not least, having no friends can lead you to find meaning and fulfillment within yourself. When you're not seeking validation or approval from others, you learn to find happiness and satisfaction within. You discover your own passions, values, and purpose in life. You become more self-reliant and self-sufficient, finding joy in your own accomplishments and celebrating your own milestones. You realize that your worth and happiness are not dependent on external factors, but are intrinsic to who you are. It's a powerful realization that can lead to profound personal growth and fulfillment. So, there you have it, top 10 reasons to have no friends. Embracing solitude and finding self-fulfillment can be truly transformative experience. It's not about being antisocial, but rather about prioritizing your personal growth, self-discovery, and well-being.